Hello friends, welcome to another video related to Shopify store. In this video I will tell you how you can do your e-commerce business on a Shopify store. So first you can create the Shopify store on, you can just go to the shopify.com. I will provide the link in the description section, so you can go to the Shopify store and create your free trial account here. Give your email. It's just like us WordPress e-commerce business theme. So this is very simple. You can just create your account as well, and after creating account you can select the product which you want to sell on the Shopify store. There are many tools available worldwide, so you can use these tools to search the product which are more demanding in the market. As well, just go to the choose and customize your theme. After creating your account on Shopify, just go to the choose and customize the theme. After customizing, you can see that customize the design of your shop. From our thousands of themes, no design experience or programming skill is required on Shopify store. This is the very big benefit of the Shopify store, which you can use for your online selling on Shopify store. After choosing yours and customizing your theme, just go to the add product section, so you can add your product which you want to sell. As you can see that add your product to the shop list with eye-catching products with the best photos, price and description. After adding your picture, you can add your beautiful and HD picture to the video with the product price, photos and description. So after adding your products, then just go to the selling and start your selling on the Shopify store. As you can see that you can start your free trial. Just after clicking start free trial, your account will be ready, and then go to the Google and Google search on the how I can rank my Shopify store, how to rank Shopify store. Rank Shopify store. So you can do your SEO of your Shopify store. After doing ranking, your product will be in the top of the search bar, so you can get your good good income from the your Shopify store. So this is the very easy method for your starting of your e-commerce business. I would recommend you to use a Shopify store just for as your starter. Then you can create your own store as well. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.